shoot anything I don't want to. Let's try not to. This thing is on, so that's my focus. That's pretty good. I shoot at that post right at the cross. I don't know. Shoot at the jug. Dead center. Really quick. I'm on. Crosshair down now. The IR button, if you just click it, moves the crosshairs down. My guess is I might not need that shim in there at all. Let's see if I can hit a target. This is the scary part. I should go up close. Oh, no, this does not record the crosshairs. And if you zoom in, it does not zoom in on the video. Two downsides of it if you're looking at. But for a Hunter go get me thing, I'm looking through it already, just alignment wise. And if I change my zoom setting on here, I lose my zero. It won't be the same zero as what I set the zero for when I had it zoomed. So if I'm at 10x and I set my zero there, it'll work at 10x. But if I go back to the finger, it goes away. Yeah, you gotta wind it, and then it holds it in place. And hopefully, I did it right. One more. 8 rounds. But hey, it's a repeating Benjamin. Oh! It's still a little stiff. And insert from the right. Quick. I'm going to walk up close. So if it starts out at 5x, something like that, the way it looks in the screen here, it goes back to the original. Oh, I just went to IR, push hold, and bump it. Oh, that's up. So I'm not tightly mounted, just move it up and down too. That's my zoom. That's noisy in here. And with shot of paint can doing something like this. And it was half full. Almost. Might as well have been. mags loaded, so it's loaded up with my favorite new ammo, 17.96 grain Norma. No, it's been since I loaded the Marauder mag. That one in. Oh. Not too bad. This is almost the distance I'll be shooting them at. So, hey, I just put the crosshairs kind of dead center and shoot on the gun. Hello, you in there? Hello. Workbench clutter. Okay, well, we got some footage on here I'll add. Yeah, I was standing at probably some of the ranges I might be shooting these at, because it's kind of a quartered off section of a small barn. I think the big cow barns that we've seen before. Some clicks. I think I should do it. But yeah, I know definitely. I'm going to have to change my cap a little bit. Not quite in focus here. I went past it. I went kind of past it. There I go more. It gets better. Then I hit the scope caps hinge. So if I push my up button, I was aiming at the 3. My last shot was right above it. This is offhand, just kind of elbow bouncing off a doorway. Whoop, we gotta focus here. Alright, we'll shut this off. Back in color. Oh, that's a black and white. No, we're not in color. Now we got color. Okay, power back up. Looks about right. Let's go to... Took the glasses off. Let's go about 7 yards and see what we're doing. Might be partially blocked. So. Okay. Let's shoot at the soda can on the bottom left there. Take a shot. Actually, it doesn't take that long, but just being sure. Okay. That's one out of focus. Whoop, I flipped it off. Yeah, let me start over. I notice my targets here are hard to make out on digital equipment. I'm going to do one adjustment here. I'm going to put the mag. Oh, it's back.